Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for Phoenix Defi Hub, and we will be exploring all the functionalities of Phoenix Defi Hub. So let's get into it already. And for this tutorial, we will be using Lobster Wallet and Lobster Wallet extension for your browser, and also we will obviously use the official website of Phoenix Defi Hub in order to perform the task. More about it when we explore it further. I will be providing all the links in the description for you to access it. Now open up the official website of Phoenix Defi Hub. Here you will be able to see the option of launch app. Simply click on it and it will redirect you over here. Now here you can for the first time you won't be connected to it. Let me disconnect my wallet. So this is how it will look. Here you will have to click on the option of connect wallet and you get three different options: Freighter, Expool and Lobster. You would have to select any of the option in order to access it. Now there are some problems with the iOS version of Lobster as of now, but the Phoenix Defi Hub team has been working quite well and they would be coming up with the solution quite fast, and you would be able to use the Phoenix Defi Hub even on iOS device without any problem. So for now we will be connecting to the Lobster and the functionalities are same, and just simply select any of the wallet, then click on continue. Now it will give you this connection request. Over here, since I have connected Lobster signer extension to two of my devices, the one is Android and the other one is iOS, and since Phoenix Defi Hub was working quite fine with the Android, so I just connected with it. For this, just simply select your wallet and click on connect, and initially you would require to connect your Lobster wallet extension with your Lobster, and for that you would be able to see this scanner at the top right hand side corner of your Lobster. Just simply click on it and you would be able to scan any particular code on your screen, and this way you would be able to connect with Lobster signer extension, and after that you can perform this connection with Phoenix Defi Hub. Now after that you would be able to see this particular dashboard over here. Here you can see the top gainer and top loser, also the price. The Phoenix price has almost multiplied 5 times till now since its launch, so it is raising quite fast. Here you would be able to see all the assets in your wallet as well, in your Lobster wallet to be precise, and on the left hand side you would be able to see a list of different options like swaps, pools and trade history. You can simply select any of the option in order to go there. On the right hand side at the top you would be able to see this option of 3 dots. Here you can disconnect and connect to a different wallet as well if you are facing any problem. So after connecting your wallet, just simply go to the section of swap. Here you can perform all the swaps on this platform. Just simply select any of the asset or the token or the coin at the top that you already have, and at the bottom just select any of the token or coin or asset that you want your current or already existing assets to be converted into. Now here, suppose I want to convert 10 XLM to PHO, which is the native currency of Phoenix Defi Hub. So I will just simply type 10 over here and select the PHO over at the bottom. Now I would be able to see how much PHO I would be getting for 10 XLM, and for the first time you would be able to see an option of adding a trust line, since it requires you to add trust line in your wallet in order to receive the assets and see the asset. So it's better to add the trust lines before playing with any of the coins out there. After you add the trust line, you would be able to see this option of swap. Simply click on it, then after approving you would be able to convert your XLM to PHO. Now when we click on swap, you might get some unsuccessful swaps as well, or maybe this kind of error. It is completely fine. The platform has just launched and there are some errors or bugs. All you have to do is just increase the amount or decrease the amount in some cases, but it is mostly increase the amount of swap that you are currently making, and this way you would be able to solve this particular problem. And there's one more reason behind this particular error, which is that there are some price fluctuations, and due to which the amount that is shown at the bottom of this PHO, you would be able to see that it is not the actual amount. So in algorithms it might feel like that you are doing some mistakes and the amount that you have written is not correct. In that case also you would be facing the problem. So it's completely fine. Just simply type the amount again. And also this was unsuccessful because I have been providing liquidity on Aquarius. We will talk about it some other day. That's why I don't have the available balance in my Lobster for this. That's why I was not able to swap it up. So let me remove some of the liquidity for this particular swap. And when you click on this option of swap, wait for it to transfer this particular signer extension. And as soon as you see this particular extension showing you to continue on Lobster app, you would be getting this particular signature request on your Lobster wallet. Simply confirm it, and this way you would be able to swap it up quite easily. And this is how easy it is. You can also reject it up. I'm just rejecting for now. Just wanted to show you how you can perform the tasks. So this is how you would be able to swap XLM to PHO or any other token for that matter. Now this is how you would be able to swap on Phoenix Defi Hub. Now let's check out the pools section. For that, just simply select pools over here, and here you get 3 different pools for now, and you can just simply participate in any of the pool of your choice, and you can check out the TVL related to that particular pool and also the maximum APR. And you can also see there's an airdrop written right over here. We will be talking more about the airdrops in our another video, focusing more on the airdrop. But for now, let's see how we can participate in any of the pool over here. Simply click on this option of details. Now wait for it to load, and here you get the option of PXST that you would be getting after you provide the liquidity in the pools. And for that, just check out this particular section on the right hand side, and here you can type the amount of XLM and PHO that you want to add in pool. And after that, just simply click on this option of add liquidity. This would be sending a request, sign a request on your Lobster, just like we did in the swapping, and you just have to accept that particular signature request. And after that, you would be getting PXST, and after that, this available balance will be shown over here for your liquidity. Now we need to stake that particular liquidity in order to earn the APR. So for this, we will just simply type the amount of PXST, or you can just simply select the percentage wise over here. Like if you want to provide or stake 100% of your PXST, just simply select 100, and after that click on stake. You would be getting the signer request for this as well. Just simply accept it on your wallet, and after that you would be getting the APRs. Currently you would be getting the APR or the rewards on weekly basis for the next 2 months, and after that you would be getting it on the daily basis as of the plans of Phoenix Defi Hub as of now. But we will be updating you about it in our video itself whenever there are some updates from the Phoenix Defi Hub. So this is how you would be able to provide the liquidity, stake it, and get the APR. You won't be getting any rewards for just providing liquidity. You need to stake it in order to get the rewards. Now moving on to the last section of trade history. We will just simply select it. Over here you can check out the volume of any particular day, current day to be precise, and you can also check out the monthly liquidity over here or the volume. Since this project is new, so there's no point of checking out the monthly volumes as of now. You can check out the active traders, total trades, and the most traded asset is also shown over here. You can check out different transactions that are being taking place on this particular platform. You can also click on this option of search in order to dig deeper into that particular transaction, and this way you would be able to do your investigation of FBI or James Bond. So you can do that on your own, and this is what Phoenix DeFi Hub looks like, and this is how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more such videos related to crypto, wallets, airdrops, and anything crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and hit that like button. See you in the next video.